Hey everybody, Dawn McGee here, your wellness strategist and nutrition evangelist. And if you are anywhere in New England or the Northeast, then you too may be dealing with what we call the dog days of summer. And to be honest with you, I don't know why we call it that, but hazy, hot, and humid. You go out, it's kind of like pea soup, and you don't feel like doing anything fast because you're walking through molasses. Um, it's so moist and humid out, and yet you still have to stay hydrated. It's hot. You're still doing things. You're sweating, right? So you need to replenish the fluids in your body, and it's one of those things that I think is can be tricky for people. Um, a lot of people will tell me that they don't like the taste of water. Well, this is a different topic. Good, clean water doesn't really have a taste. If your water's got a taste, you may want to try a different kind of water, different water source, I should say. But there are things you can do, even if you don't like plain, good quality water, to make it easier to drink. Um, some of the things that are good are old standbys for my clients. One is toss some electrolytes in. Now, they often come with a little extra sweetness, so if the sweetness isn't your thing, that's okay. Especially on days like today, I always have my electro in my water to start off with. But even before that, I start my day with a water with aminos in it. Looks like clear water, right? Because um, these are top quality clean aminos, and um, they don't have any coloring in them. They mix. There's no residue, there's no sediment. It's just got a hint of a watermelon flavor. There's also lime and mixed berry and mango. I haven't tried all the flavors yet, but that helps, right? Why are aminos good for you as well as flavoring your water? They're good for you because they are the building blocks of protein. It has all the essential amino acids in it. Essential means that your body can't make them on their own. So yeah, I have all these things on my desk. I've got my aminos. I've got my electrolytes throughout the day. I continue drinking water. I happen to like plain clear water, and I also like sometimes to have it flavored. Other things you can do to flavor your water. You can take some clean, fresh herbs and toss them into your water bottle. You can put them in a little um, uh, sachet, like a cheesecloth sachet, if you don't want the leaves floating around by themselves. Muddle them a little to release the flavors, the essential oils in the herbs. Mint is great. Basil's great, mixed with some fruits. I love lemon in my water. What I do is I take off the rind because the rind has the bitters. Also, it has whatever they've sprayed the fruit with. So don't really want that soaking in my water. Even if it's organic, there are certainly compounds you probably just don't want soaking in your water. Lemon, lime are so great. Strawberries, blueberries, they infuse just a light essence of flavor to your water, and you can let them just sit there and soak in throughout the course of the day, and they will eventually need to be replaced and tossed out at the end of the day, but it's a lovely light flavor. Um, you can do herbal teas, right? If you do caffeinated teas, now those are less hydrating. The caffeine is a diuretic, which will flush water from your body, and so you probably don't want to do too many of that, right? Coffee and tea, anything with caffeine, don't consider that to be part of your hydrating water intake for the day. I know that's one of those things that always gets my clients. So those are my best tips to continue staying hydrated from a drinking perspective. From a food perspective, you can also choose foods that have a higher water content. Um, Fruits, berries, watermelons, citrus fruits, all excellent. Cucumbers, tomatoes, all of the things that have a higher water content. If you add those to your meals, you're also increasing the amount of hydration that you're getting. Um, so those I hope were helpful. If these are things that you work on with your clients, you get questions about from your clients, if you're a health pro and you want to bring a program to your clients that is turnkey and digital and you can roll out, I can teach you how to do that. Jump into our next workshop. It's coming up in August. And in the meantime, as always, what I hope for you is that you live a life you love without giving up any of the things that bring you joy. Until next week, ciao.